रोलिंग।
ओके रोलिंग। आ जाओ।
थर्मोकोल नीचे।
हाँ थर्मोकोल आउट। वेरी गुड। आ जाओ। ओके वेरी नाइस। चलो
बताना दादा।
चेक कर लो। ओके सर कट इट।
Hey family, what's up everybody? This is Kruti and you're watching Krut Vlogs with me. I hope everyone is well and safe at their places, and I hope you're taking precautions if you're going out. I know it's like been too long time. I'm seeing you after a long time. Last was the Udaipur vlog if I'm not wrong. I'm so sorry for that, but now onwards let me just try giving you 2 vlogs in a week. I'm not promising yet, but yeah, I can just try doing so. I know many of you must be aware about it by the thumbnail that what's happening, but still let me tell you, I'm not traveling right now. I'm on my shoots and I'm exactly in my makeup room right now. So Dada is doing my makeup, and till the time I'm just going through my script, and I even have to have my breakfast because that's pending. So let's see how it goes. Here is Dada. I'll just show you Dada.
Hi.
Dada, कसं चाललंय? तुमचं नाव?
Yeah, my name is Ranjan Gaikwad, and I'm doing company's makeup artist. And Kruti has come here, and he's very good artist. Yeah.
Thank you, Dada. So my makeup is already going on, then I have to change, and then I'll see you on set. Till that time, let me just go through my script, let me have my breakfast, and yeah, we'll keep going like that. So I have changed into my first outfit, and the touch up for the makeup is left, जो दादा कर देंगे. And दादा अभी मेरे hairs कर रहे हैं, तो जैसे ही ready होते हैं, we'll go on the set, and then I'll see you, so you can enjoy that in this. ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा ना?
Yes. Just last minute. Only 5 minutes.
दादा बोल रहे 5 मिनट लगेगा. लेट्स सी कितना टाइम लगता है. हम एक बार रेडी हो जाए फिर से पे चलते हैं. I'll take you guys together. So I just got done with my first set of script and the first shot. Now I have some another shots. For that I'm just preparing with the script. It's not so easy, but then yeah, we are just going through it. So I'm just showing you the BTS so that you can enjoy how and what I'm doing on the shoot. So I have some another shots to do. Let me just prepare the script and do. You can just enjoy the BTS of this. Right now we are changing the set as we have another shot in the same outfit. So let's just get that done as well and then move on. You are going to be there till the end of the day till I complete my shoot.
Rolling and action.
Hi, this is Kruti. What should I do? Thank you for staying here and listening to me. Family, I hope everything is going good. I hope you're enjoying this part as well, the BTS, what I'm shooting. Honestly, I know I'm not able to give you 100% over here, but you can understand I have shoots simultaneously, I have to do the scenes and everything. So I have done with few of my scenes, I have done with my voiceover as well. I have got a good break of, you can say, at least 20 to 30 minutes where I can rest, and then I am left with some close-up shots, some few more scenes as well. So we'll finish that off and we'll see when do I get done with the shoot.
बहुत सही बहुत सही. अभी बालों को अच्छी तरह से संवार के एंड करेंगे. ओके विल से यू होल्ड योर रिएक्शन स्लोली एंड अप इन 3 2 1 and cut it. Very nice. जरा स्पीड करो. चलो रोलिंग and action. Entry. आ जाओ. Entry, just hold. Body is your turn now. Yes, okay. आया. I know I'm not showing you my
second look, but you must have seen the BTS of it. This is my third attire, and still the shoot is going on. I've just done the half part of this attire, and people are discussing. They'll be directing me what is the next to do. So yes, just doing that. I'm enjoying and shoot, but yes, we have to wind up it soon, so you can continue watching me. So here I have changed my fourth outfit as well. The scene is done for that. I'm sorry I'm showing you late about it. But now I'm going to make a final change, and I think that is going to be probably the last scene for the day, and then we'll pack up for the day, hopefully. So just let's see how it goes and what is happening. So I'll see you in a while.
Rolling, आ जाओ, हाँ आ जाओ, एंट्री। ओके, हाथ लगाते हुए, हाँ होल्ड करो वहीं पे, दिखाओ कि हाँ भाई अब बाथरूम से अभी निकली हो, नहा धो के। ओके, अब आ जाओ आगे, थर्मोकोल आउट, वेरी गुड, आ जाओ। ओके, वेरी नाइस।
बताना दादा,
चेक कर लो।
डन है ना?
बाहर उसके ऊपर लिखो।
हाँ।
ओके सर, कट इट।
हो गया।
डन।
Packed up. So finally it's a pack up. If you can see, my team is still working. They are just standing up and clearing the location. So we're finally done. It's really not so simple as you can see. Okay, let me tell you and give you a hint. It is a digital ad shoot. I cannot reveal the project for what I have worked for. But yeah, in future definitely once it is released, you would be able to see that online. And let me tell you, that ad, whether be of 15 minutes or whether be of 1 minute, it takes too much of time. For example, if you take me, I am on set from morning 8 AM and right now it's 9 PM in the evening. So this is not at all easy. Yes, it is super fun, but it's not easy at all. We just feel that, we see the advertisement, okay, it's so simple, we can do it. But no, behind each and everything, there's a lot of struggle. So guys, I just reached home and I missed on to end this vlog, so I thought I'll end this right away. I am too tired, honestly, just want to get changed and go to bed. That is what my plan is. And yes, please shower your blessings on me. I hope you have enjoyed this BTS. And yes, you can follow me on Instagram for more updates. The link is in the description box below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till the time I see you next time, keep smiling, spread love and make people happy. Sign out.